Functions and sources of different vitamins. Vitamin A. It keeps skin healthy and maintains normal night vision. The sources of vitamin A are fish oil, egg yolk, milk, dairy products, carrots, and leafy vegetables. Its deficiency causes night blindness. The symptoms of disease are dryness of eyes and skin and improper vision in dim light. Vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex is a group of vitamins B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9 and B12. Vitamin B1 helps in the digestion of food and maintenance of nervous system. The sources of vitamin B1 are eggs, meat, sprouts, wheat and whole grains. Its deficiency causes beriberi. The symptoms of beriberi are inflammation of nerves and digestive problems. Vitamin B2 keeps skin and buccal cavity healthy. The sources of vitamin B2 are eggs, milk and green vegetables. Its deficiency causes skin disorders, inflammation of tongue and irritation of eyes. Vitamin B3 is required for normal body functioning. The sources of vitamin B3 are fresh meat, liver, fish, milk, yeast, etc. Its deficiency causes pellagra, dermatitis, diarrhea, etc. Vitamin B5 is required for normal body functioning. The sources of vitamin B5 are yeast, liver, egg, meat, milk, sugarcane, etc. Its deficiency causes dermatitis, graying of hair, etc. Vitamin B6 is essential for normal functioning of brain. The sources of vitamin B6 are yeast, whole grains, fish, meat, and legumes. Its deficiency causes anemia and convulsions in infants. Vitamin B7 is essential for the formation of fats and production of energy in the body. The sources of vitamin B7 are yeast, vegetables, wheat, eggs, groundnut, etc. This vitamin is synthesized by bacteria found in human intestine. Its deficiency causes skin lesions, loss of appetite, and hair fall. Vitamin B9 helps in the formation and maturation of blood cells. The sources of vitamin B9 are leafy vegetables, fruits, yeast, liver, and kidney. Its deficiency causes anemia. The symptoms of disease are general weakness, loss of appetite and stamina, and frequent headache. Vitamin B12 helps in the formation of RBCs. The sources of vitamin B12 are meat, eggs, fish, and milk. Its deficiency causes anemia. Vitamin C. It provides resistance to infection. The sources of vitamin C are citrus fruits like lemon, orange, lime, tomatoes, sprouts, and amla. Its deficiency causes scurvy. The symptoms of scurvy are spongy and bleeding gums, increased susceptibility to infection, and pain in limbs. Vitamin D. It helps in the normal growth of bones in children. The sources of vitamin D are fish, eggs, and milk. The sunlight also helps our body to make vitamin D. Its deficiency causes rickets. The symptoms of rickets are soft and weak bones, deformed bones and joints, softening of ribs, and arched limbs. Vitamin E. It keeps the skin healthy and helps in the normal functioning of reproductive system. The sources of vitamin E are whole grain cereals, corn, cottonseed oil, milk, meat, and egg yolk. Its deficiency causes reproductive disorders. Vitamin K. It helps in blood clotting. The sources of vitamin K are spinach, cabbage, and other green leafy vegetables. Its deficiency causes excessive bleeding, hemorrhage due to slow blood clotting. Minerals. Minerals are inorganic salts that contain chemical elements. Our body needs minerals like calcium, iron, iodine, phosphorus, sodium, fluorine in small amounts. Each one is essential for proper growth of the body and to maintain good health. Calcium, phosphorus, and fluorine take part in the formation of bones. Calcium is also needed for clotting of blood at the time of injury. Iron is needed for the formation of hemoglobin, which is a red pigment in the blood. Sodium and potassium help to maintain water balance in the body. Sodium is also needed for the transmission of messages in the body through nervous system and for the contraction of muscles. Iodine is needed for the normal functioning of thyroid gland. Its deficiency causes goiter. Dietary fibers. Dietary fibers form the roughage part of our food. They help in the proper movement of bowel. We get dietary fibers from vegetables, whole grains, pulses, and fresh fruits. Water. Water is essential for life. About 2/3 of our body weight is water. It maintains our body temperature and helps in the transport of materials inside the body. Water helps our body to absorb nutrients from the food. It also helps in removing the wastes from the body. We get most of the water required by our body from the liquids we drink, such as water, milk, and tea. All fruits and vegetables contain large quantities of water.